Why does the bionic butterfly lose control for half a second suddenly? Some customers reported that the bionic butterfly suddenly changes direction mid-flight. It returns to normal after about 1 second. Actually, this issue occurs because the screws on the wings are not tightened properly. If the wings can wobble as shown in the video, at this point, the servo stays still while the wings can be moved freely. This is likely caused by loose screws, or prolonged use has created a gap between the arm and the gear. This will cause the bionic butterfly to suddenly lose control. Simply tighten the screws just like on this blue butterfly, and the problem will be fixed. Alternatively, fill the gaps with glue. Therefore, please check the battery level and whether the wings are loose before each flight. These two minor issues can greatly affect flight performance.